Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I thought I'd step in front of the camera for the very first time before AI takes over. So here I am in 3D. Let's talk tech. Question: would you be willing to provide an eye scan to access a new cryptocurrency? Well, that is the requirement to authenticate your identity if you want to use Worldcoin. Worldcoin is not just any other cryptocurrency, it's also a digital platform that aims to give everyone access to the global economy through digital money. Sounds interesting, right? Let's dive in and find out more. Worldcoin is the brainchild of Alex Blania and Sam Altman. If you're wondering why their name sounds familiar, especially for Sam, it's because he's the CEO of OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. Altman is also the former president of Y Combinator, a startup accelerator that has funded some of the most successful companies in the world, such as Airbnb, Dropbox, and Stripe. So you can tell that he knows a thing or two about innovation. But what exactly is Worldcoin? Well, according to the website, Worldcoin is an open source protocol or system created to give everyone access to the global economy. It's designed to be decentralized, meaning that ultimately its supervision and decision making will rest with its community of users. Worldcoin has three main components: a cryptocurrency token, also called Worldcoin, WLD, an eye scanning device called the Orb, and a crypto wallet app called the World app. Now, the cryptocurrency token Worldcoin, WLD, is the medium of exchange on the Worldcoin network. It can be used to make payments, purchases, transfers with other digital assets. The token is also distributed for free to everyone who verifies their identity using the Orb. Yes, you have that right. Free money for everyone. How generous is that? The Orb is a spherical device that interestingly looks like the orbs used by oracles to predict the future. It scans your eyes to create a unique digital identity for you by using biometric technology that ensures you are a real person and not a bot. The Orb is also portable and can be set up anywhere in the world. The idea is to make it easy and accessible for anyone to join the Worldcoin network and claim their share of the free tokens. While the World app is the interface that allows you to interact with the Worldcoin network. It's a mobile app that lets you manage your tokens and other digital assets. You can also use it to send and receive payments, check your balance, and view your transaction history. The app is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. So, how does it all work? Well, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is find an orb near you and scan your eyes with it. The orb will then generate a unique code and send it to you via SMS or QR code. You can then use the code to download the World app and create your account. Once you do that, you will receive your free tokens in your wallet. That's it. You are now part of the Worldcoin network and can start using your tokens as you wish. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there are some catches. First of all, the amount of WLD tokens you receive depends on how many people have joined the network before you. The earlier you join, the more tokens you get. This is because the total supply of tokens is fixed at 10 billion and it's distributed according to a mathematical formula that decreases over time. Then, some people have concerns about privacy and security when it comes to scanning their eyes with an unknown device. Worldcoin claims that it respects user privacy and does not store any personal data on its servers. It also says that it uses encryption and blockchain technology to protect user funds and transactions. However, some experts have raised questions about the potential risks and vulnerabilities of such a system. Additionally, in the terms and conditions section, they state that they do not have control of their orb operators who are independent contractors, which in layman terms means that things could happen to your data and it has nothing to do with them. Also, in an important clause, which you agree to by default, if you use any component of Worldcoin, you are required to defend and indemnify the Tools for Humanity company in case of any legal action that could somehow be connected to you. What this means is you will cover the cost of any legal action. And on top of that, you also agree to let them take over action and decide your settlement on your behalf. And remember, you're the one bearing the cost. Users might want to exercise caution and do research before scanning their eyes and claiming their free tokens. Note that the tokens are currently not available in every country. However, Worldcoin has orb locations in Argentina, Brazil, Chile, France, Germany, Hong Kong, India, Japan, among others, and says it plans to expand its operations to more countries in the future. According to a report by Forbes, the tokens are not available in the US due to regulatory uncertainty, while a report by MIT Technology Review mentions that Worldcoin has faced resistance in some countries such as Indonesia, Kenya, Sudan, Ghana, Chile, and Norway due to regulatory or legal issues. Worldcoin representatives have been visiting various locations in Kenya and other developing countries, collecting biometric data and offering incentives such as free cash and promises of future wealth. In Kenya particularly, it's been a hot topic lately, and we're here to give you the scoop. The 77% did a story on Worldcoin where Kenyans flocked to the op centers in Nairobi, its capital city, to get their free tokens after getting their eyes scanned. Even with the systems being overloaded and the process being suspended briefly, they still waited, hoping to get signed up. But why, you might wonder? Simple: money. And who doesn't like free money? On average, you get 25 free tokens on sign up, which is equivalent to $49. You can then sell your tokens to a local trader in exchange for cash. However, the Kenyan government has since ordered Worldcoin to stop signing up new users due to safety and data privacy concerns. And if that wasn't enough, the police raided Worldcoin's warehouse in Nairobi earlier this month and seized documents and machines for further analysis. Remember, this is the same data that is supposed to be safe and private. The Commissioner of the Data Protection Office in Kenya said that one of the reasons for the suspension was that Tools for Humanity, the parent company for Worldcoin, failed to disclose its true intentions when it registered in Kenya. The company, interestingly, was quick to inform the over 350,000 Kenyans already signed up that their tokens were safe in reserve until the matter is resolved. It's important to note that the decision to suspend Worldcoin's activities in Kenya sends a strong message that they won't tolerate any deceptive practices that take advantage of its citizens. Despite these controversies, Worldcoin has already received over 2.2 million signups, with investors submitting their iris scans in exchange for digital IDs. The Worldcoin Foundation claims that the project was designed to protect individual privacy, and from some, the CEO's Twitter feed, we can see how long the lines were by day 3 of the launch, with the craze of the new cryptocurrency continuing. Reports also allege that Sam Altman apparently carries around a mysterious blue backpack that some believe contains a kill switch to shut down rogue AI. Though, with Skynet lessons from the Terminator movies, any AI worth its beats would probably hack Sam's backpack first and fortify its defenses. So, if robots do take over, I hope Sam has more than a MacBook inside, because that would be enough to save humanity from the impending robo-apocalypse. So, what do I think about Worldcoin? Well, it's an ambitious and innovative project that is using cutting-edge technology like AI, blockchain, and biometrics to create a more human internet. I'm curious to see how it will evolve and grow in the future, and also how they plan to address the concerns on privacy, security, and regulations. As for giving away free money, Robert Greene's 40th law of power, despise the free lunch, is a good example that there is no such thing as a free lunch, in this case, free tokens. Everything has a cost, even if it's not immediately apparent. If you're not paying for the product, then you're probably the product. So keep that in mind before you submit your iScan. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know what you think about Worldcoin in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.